up, YouTube? Today I got this 2000 Cadillac XTS. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the front pads and rotors today. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. First thing we're going to have to do is get these pads out of here, or this clip anyways, because the pads you ain't going to be able to pull out like a Toyota. We're going to have to pull the caliper and pull the pads, but I'm taking the clip off first to show you how to push back all four of these pistons with no special tools. So let's get these pins out. And what I use on that is just a drill bit that's big enough to fit in that hole. Or whatever you have equivalent that will fit in that hole. Now I'll push back in that spring to get some of the tension off. Another thing that works good is some good old handy dandy vice grips. Don't clamp it right there where that spins, because it's going to fight yourself. A little tighter. What's up, man?
We are going to put his dryer on that's in his car, and then do the evac and recharge on it.
That's got an R12 system in it, don't it?
Looks like regular ones. Doesn't look like R12.
He's going to be waiting until I'm done with this. I'm doing a video right now.
Somebody else just put a compressor on for him. He's worried that they didn't put enough oil in it.
Wow. I'll shoot some oil in.
Yeah, add it on to so.
Is that dryer in an easy spot?
It only costs for $82, so like 26.
All right, I'll let you know. All right. Okay. Oh, I just love installing people's own parts on the old 94 Nissan Sentra. We're not really supposed to do that, but whatever. I'm sure it's got other issues. No, I won't be doing a video on that. Anyways, I always get interrupted when I'm trying to do a video. Y'all know this. Once you get that clip off and that pin off, take you a couple flathead screwdrivers. Once you get that one pushed back a good bit, reach back here, push the pad back out. Start pushing the other one back. So I'm twisting the screwdriver. You get a gap right there. Once you get that gap, just hold the other ones from pushing out, because they'll push out if you don't hold them. Boom. Now we got to take this caliper off. 21 millimeter. Kind of rest that up there. Now you got to take your hold down screw off, which is let's say T27. I really think it's a T30 because that's a little loose. We'll see, but it works. Curious. Yeah, it's a T30. T27 worked, but use a T30 to avoid rounding it off. These are pretty new, so they're not wore out yet. Let's go ahead and just transfer that over before I forget. Now, if your rotor don't come off easy like that one just did, just give it a couple smacks with a hammer on the front or back, don't matter. Another thing, you want to make sure you clean this oil off the rotor. Some brake cleaner, or you can put it in the sink. Probably not the kitchen sink. I don't think your girl or wife will like that too much. If you don't have one, then it's your sink. Some little Dawn dish soap action. Now, I know I didn't finger start it, but when you've been doing this for 25 years, need I say more? All right. Now, the pad with the warning indicator goes on the back. All right, kind of hold your pads where you flip the caliper over so they don't flop around. Making sure your brake hose ain't twisted up. Go ahead and lock them bad boys down. Alright, you can reach that front one, but you can't on the back one, so just take you something that'll get in these little holes. Valve door remover. Alright. Go ahead and put your bottom pin in. That's not going to fight you. Tap it in until it locks. Now the top pin. Push in on that. Slide it up a little bit. Boom. That's simple. Straighten up your wheel. Put your tire back on, pump up the brake pedal so you have a nice hard stiff pedal. Take them for a test drive. That's how you do it. Anyways, I'm going to cut this video short. I got other things to do, so y'all have a good day. Subscribe, like as always. Peace out, YouTube.